Do you love secret niches and KDP challenges? Do you want to learn something new and different about low content publishing? Well, then stay tuned. Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I am excited to share with you Julie Kaufman's Spring into Action challenge for Q2. She promises to show you a secret hot niche with low competition, and basically she runs you through the whole thing. The thing I love about Julie's challenges, I take them all the time, is because, even I need inspiration, or just if I'm feeling a little blah, right? I need, creative juices. So I know I give you guys a bunch of creative ideas, but I need to replenish my creative well as well. And I really enjoy Julie's challenges because she kind of gives you an idea, a niche, the research. She walks you how to create the books, where to get resources, and she does it in a really interesting fashion. She does it over a 2-week period with time-released videos. So you get, Monday through Friday, and then the next week, Monday through Friday, you get a video each day. And she does them so that you can kind of create the book along with her, and you can ask questions in her private Facebook group. And then if you have a few questions, she'll add more videos and modules to a particular day to answer people's questions. And if you can't do it, on the day schedule, don't worry. She just does it out in that 2-week schedule to kind of drip it out so that people don't feel overwhelmed. But you can pick it up and start it at any time. I really enjoy her challenges because they give me ideas of what I want to do, how I want to do it. The thing about her challenges is they start enrollment for basically a week. So you can see that enrollment started today, and then it will close in 6 days. So you want to, if you're interested in kind of refreshing your ideas, getting a new secret hot niche, something like that to get your creative juices going, then you can do this challenge if you have no experience with low content publishing, because she walks you through everything, how to create it, how to make these books, and you can have a book created in 2 weeks. So these are for, experts to, the person who is totally new. And I really enjoy these challenges because they just kind of help refresh me and give me new ideas through KDP. So I'll leave a link below. This is just kind of informative, let you know it's out there, and I hope you guys join me in this challenge. All right, thanks. Bye.